Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Everyday phrases with take, like, subscribe to the channel. Take a seat, meaning to sit down. Example, please take a seat and wait for your turn. Take a chance, meaning to do something risky. Example, you should take a chance and apply for that job. Take a stand, meaning to express a strong opinion or position on an issue. Example, she decided to take a stand against bullying at school. Take a nap, meaning to sleep for a short period during the day. Example, I usually take a nap after lunch. Take notes, meaning to write down important information. Example, make sure to take notes during the lecture. Take responsibility, meaning to accept the duty of dealing with something. Example, he needs to take responsibility for his actions. Take a photo, meaning to capture an image with a camera. Example, let's take a photo to remember this moment. Take it for granted, meaning to assume something will always be available or true. Example, don't take your health for granted. Take a deep breath, meaning to breathe in deeply, often to calm oneself. Example, take a deep breath and try to relax. Take a look, meaning to look at something. Example, I'll take a look at your report later. Take place, meaning something to happen, especially for events. Example, the meeting will take place at 3 p.m. Take advantage of, meaning to make good use of an opportunity. Example, you should take advantage of the sale. Take it easy. This phrase has 4 meanings. Relax or rest. You should take it easy this weekend. Proceed calmly. Take it easy on the road. There's no need to hurry. Goodbye or farewell. All right, see you later. Take it easy. Don't worry. Take it easy, everything will be fine. Take a break, meaning to stop working for a short period. Example, let's take a break and grab some coffee. Take part in, meaning to participate in an activity. Example, he decided to take part in the marathon. Take a risk, meaning to do something that involves danger or uncertainty. Example, sometimes you must take a risk to succeed. Take a bath, meaning the act of soaking or cleansing the body as in water. Example, I'm going to take a bath and start my book.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications.